Hello there, welcome to our channel. Login Let's again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Mercury credit card account on your computer. And now, without further ado, start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your Mercury credit card account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in mercury.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Mercury credit card login like this and hit enter, and you can see the mercury.com login available over here. Click over there. Whereas on the first tab, we are on the home page of Mercury. If you have not logged into your credit card, you can see new product. It's our credit card over here with a link and underline. Click over there and you'll be redirected to the credit card page of Mercury, this is already the login page of Mercury, but we are on the credit card now. To log into your Mercury credit card account, you can see the login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Click on login and you can see both of these pages are same, so let's close one of these. Now to log into your Mercury credit card account, you'll be required to enter your email address over here, and after that enter your password over here and click on login to sign into your Mercury credit card account. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve your Mercury credit card account's password. Or if you have not yet created an account on Mercury, simply click over here which says the open account to go through a procedure to sign up for a Mercury credit card. And this is how you log into your Mercury credit card. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.